hey everybody, it's Frank the Mouse, and we're here for another segment of It Ain't Easy Being Cheesy. And we're so glad you're here because we are fondue of you. And remember, folks, there's nothing better than cheddar. It's so Gouda. All right, well, today's topic is ducks. That's right, we got some duck jokes for you. What time does a duck wake up? Anybody? Huh? At the quack of dawn. Get it? Quack of dawn? Okay. I got another one. I got lots more. What do ducks get after they eat? What do ducks get after they eat? Ready? Huh? They get the bill. Get it? The bill? Okay. We'll try another one. Here we go. What do you call a crate full of ducks? Huh? A box of quackers. I'm quacking me up. Okay. Who stole the soap in the bathroom? Huh? It's a mystery. Who stole the soap in the bathroom? Huh? The robber Ducky. That's right. The robber Ducky. Get it? He stole the soap. What? No, last time you told me there was something back there. So there's nothing back there. A duck? I'm right here, Frank. Whoa! Oh, hey, everybody. It's my good friend, Ducky Daddles. Everybody say hi, Ducky. Hi, everybody. So I hear that you are telling duck jokes. That's right. You want to hear another one? Okay, I'll hear one. What do you get if you cross fireworks with a duck? Fireworks with a duck? I don't know. What do you get? A firecracker. Get it? Because it's a firecracker, quack. Yeah, I get it. But I got something for you. Something for me? What is it? I have some mice jokes. Oh, well, this will be interesting for me. Go ahead. Okay. How do mice celebrate when they move home? I don't know. How do we celebrate? I should know this. Well, how do we celebrate? With a mouse warming party. Oh, wait. Okay. Let me tell another one. Okay. What has fangs and webbed feet, everybody? I don't know. Count Duckula. That's not very funny. Okay. Well, what about you? Give me another one. Okay, what kind of shoes do mice wear? Shoes. I should know this too. What kind of shoes do mice wear, huh? Squeakers. Get it? Squeakers instead of sneakers? Okay. Let me, I got another one. What does a duck do after he hears a joke? Is it one of your jokes? Yeah, this joke. I don't know. What do I do? He quacks up. No, you're quacking up. I'm just over here listening to you crack up. Listen, I've had enough of these jokes. What do you mean, Ducky? We're just having fun. No! They're just jokes! Ah! Whoa. Wow! Frank? Stop! No! Stop! Hey, it's all Gouda, folks. Thanks for watching.